Hi everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. Today I'm going to show you what to pack for a long haul trip to India. If you're new to my channel, then you may not know, but earlier this year in 2018, I did a 3-week incredible trip through the country of India. And now I'm going back for another 3 weeks and I'm visiting 7 new cities: Pune, Hyderabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, and Ahmedabad. And if you love food and travel as much as I do, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updated when all the new videos drop. For my first trip to India, I learned a lot about what the essentials are of things you have to pack for the journey. I get questions all the time from travelers, what should I take? What are the essentials for packing for India? And so if you're going on a 2-week or more trip, these are exactly the things you have to take for your journey. Let's start with number 1, a durable upright suitcase and carry-on from Victorinox. These are from their new Werks Traveler 6.0 collection, and they're great for long haul trips for several reasons. This is the extra large size, which only weighs 12.13 pounds. I plan on buying gifts and packing gear, so this gives me the space I need without being too heavy to start. The outer polypropylene shell is super tough and is resistant to scratches. I love how it glides on 8 wheels, very smooth. But the best part is the new Pack More system, which offers a removable padded compartment where you can pack your clothes and your laptop safely. This is perfect when you're going through security, you just take it out. Plus, these bags have all the features I always love about the Victorinox brand. TSA-approved locks, and they just look very high-end and professional. Again, this is the Victorinox Werks Traveler 6.0 collection. You can check it out in the link below. Alright, so once you have your luggage sorted, it's time to plan on what to take to India. So let's bring this guy around. Remember, India is a massive country. It can be really hot in one city and really cold in another in the same day. It really depends if you're going winter or summer. And on this trip, I'm entering winter. I'm gonna be mostly in the south, but there's one city I'm going in the north, in Punjab. The city's called Amritsar. And there, I definitely need to have with me a fleece sweater. It keeps you warm, but it's not too bulky. That's the first item. Number 3 is medication. After my last trip to India, I learned the hard way. Eating street food in India can wreak havoc on your digestive system. YOLO, right? So this time, I visited a travel clinic and got prescriptions for antibiotics. Electrolytes are also a great thing to take with you. I like these packets, which can dissolve in water. In case you catch a stomach bug, which most people do in India, electrolytes are super important to help you fight dehydration. I'm also taking medication with me for upset stomach and diarrhea. In addition to all this, all my travel vaccines are up to date, including hepatitis A and B. So the next one is wipes and hand sanitizer. This is extremely important if you plan on eating street food. And I'm bringing toilet paper with me because most bathrooms do not provide toilet paper, only water. For clothing, I like to pack light, loose clothing, and comfortable walking shoes. And I love traveling with cargo pants because of the multiple pockets. I basically can fit everything in here. For charging my phone, laptop, and batteries, I always take with me a ground charger like this one. There's 2 US outlets and 2 USB ports. And when I got to India, I had to buy this extension cord. The reason I did this is because I charge lots of batteries every single day, and this gives me more flexibility. I put this on, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. The one thing I'm gonna tell you have to take, basically on any trip, is a portable battery pack for your phone. When I'm out all day, I barely go to my apartment, so I always have this full. This one actually charges my phone 4 times. I usually run out of battery around noon, so this will charge me up, probably run out of battery around 5, charge up again. Definitely get yourself a portable battery pack. And the next one is a dirty clothes bag to keep your clean clothes separate from your dirty clothes. This one's very light. Okay, so in terms of how much you should pack, I always think take at least clothing for half your journey. So if I'm going on a 3-week trip, take 20 pairs of socks, underwear, 15 shirts, maybe three pairs of jeans, cargo pants, and 2 different pairs of shoes. So what I like to do is when I go Airbnb style, which I'm going this whole trip, Airbnb, I ask my host in around the 3rd or 4th city if they can clean my clothes for me for a fee. They usually do it for free. Some people will charge me, but that's the best way to do it, and you don't have to go to laundromats every 2 or 3 days. Another thing you have to bring with you is sunscreen. India's hot, you will burn. Don't let the sun burn you. Bring sunscreen. And the last thing you have to bring to India is very small, but it will save your life and it'll let you sleep because India is so freaking loud. I mean, at every point of the day, you're gonna hear somebody honking a horn, for real. You will hear horns honking all the time. So bring yourself some earplugs. This will save your life and let you sleep. That is everything you have to take with you on a long haul trip to India. 2 weeks is a minimum in India. It is huge. And I hope you love this incredible travel luggage. Victorinox Werks Traveler 6.0 collection just dropped. Check it out in the link below. And I hope you love this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. India travel series is coming real soon. See you in India.